Welcome back, I'm James and this is video 9 in our series on internet radio. Radio listeners like to know what they're listening to.
That's Taylor Dane here on 93 FM and Tell It To My Heart.
In terrestrial radio, it's a job of the announcer to say the name of the artist and the song title. However, with internet radio, we can display that information visually on the radio station's audio player. That's what the listener sees on their screen. As we have already learnt, this information is called metadata and it's stored inside the audio file. So before we start broadcasting, we need to make sure that all the metadata is there for all of our audio files. That includes songs, commercials, station IDs, station promos, everything. The part of the audio file that contains the metadata is called the file tag. It contains fields where we can input information about the song. The main ones are artist, song title, CD title, year, and genre. Almost all audio file types have file tags. WAV is the main exception. So how do I make sure that my audio has metadata in the file tags? Well, here are some ideas. If you buy music on the internet, it should have the metadata in it already. If you are ripping music from CDs, then set your software to go online and automatically download the song metadata for you. Your software will access an online database called CDDB. If you are recording the audio yourself, perhaps a commercial or a station ID, then your recording software will allow you to add metadata before you save. It is possible to manage all your metadata in the one place. We recommend a free software program called MP3 Tag. With MP3 Tag, you can do several useful functions. You will be able to clearly see which songs have missing metadata. You can add information to just one audio file or to many audio files at a time. Here, I am adding the CD title to 10 songs at once. In this case, these songs had artist and title in the file name, but the file tags are empty. I am able to transfer that information with one click from the file name into the artist and title fields. Do make sure that you fill in the genre tags. This is how you classify your music. For example, rock, pop, oldie, hit, reggae, country. This is very important if you want to be able to create great playlists. Okay, that's music. What about metadata for other types of audio files? By that I mean commercials, programs, and station IDs. Here's a question for you. What do you want your listener to see when one of these audio files is playing? Let me give you an example. You have an audio file where the metadata just says Program 6. Then that's all the listener will see. And to them, that is very frustrating because they want to know what they are listening to. So let's fill out the metadata using the MP3 Tag program. For the file name, we can call it anything we like. It will make no difference. But in the artist field, I've changed it to the name of the program, which is Just a Minute with Bernie Diamond. In the title field, I have now typed the name of this episode. Here is how the listener will see it when it appears in their player. Here's another example, this time a station ID. Let's go back to our MP3 Tag program. In the file name, we can call it anything we like, but we must be more careful about the metadata. In the artist field, I'm going to put the station name, and in the song title field, I will put our station's positioning statement. This is what the listener will see in their player. For commercials, in the artist field, we could put the name of the advertiser. In the title field, we could put the advertiser's contact information. Whatever the advertiser wants. Remember, the player displays artist first and then title second. Here's an idea. For station promos, we could type the name of the program in the artist field, and in the title field, type the day and time of the program. That is useful. With correct metadata, we can do more than simply display information. It will also help us to display pictures. Find out how in our next video here with the Online Radio Training School. Happy broadcasting.